my fault. Because I didn't do anything wrong. So say something.
Ayoko magsasagal. Kapag nagsalita ako, mag-aaway lang tayo.
What? You have something to fight about?
Wala nga. Kaya nga ayoko magsalita eh. JB, salamat sa paghati mo, pero pagod na ako. Gusto ko lang napahinga.
You should have informed me. Nalalabas ka pala. Na may date ka pala with Celine. Or is it with Ellie?
What are you talking about, JB? Hindi ko pala na magkita kami doon ni Ellie, kaya wag mo ako sana kung ano-ano. Saka isa pa, bakit ba? Kailangan ba talaga lagi akong on-call, lagi akong handa in case tawagan mo ako, ganun ba? Come on, JB, meron din akong buhay. Meron din akong mga bagay na pinagkakaabalahan. Anong problema mo? Pakakasal naman kita, di ba?
Yes. We are getting married soon. That's why I want you to get accustomed to your role. I must know your whereabouts at all times. Dahil kapag naging isama na kita, I am responsible for you. Marian, one more thing. When we're married, I don't want you going out with Celine anymore. She's a bad influence. Because if I know, she's just trying to set you up again with Ellie. To keep you away from harm.
No, JB, ikaw ang hindi nakakaintindi. Hindi ko pwede na-explain just because yan ang gusto mo. My God! JB, she is my cousin. She is my best friend. Napaka-selfish mo. Saka, huwag mo sasabihin sa akin na concerned ka lang sa akin, ha? Dahil aminin na natin. Hindi mo na ako takaksan just because gusto mo ma-save yung kumpanya. Para sa pera, para sa magulang mo, hindi. Pakakasalan mo ko dahil ako ang pinakamalaking ganti mo kay Celine. Hindi ba? Gusto mo ako mapakasawa just to prove her that you are not a loser. Yan ako ang gusto mo. Don't deny it, JB. Natapa ka ng napakalaki mong ego na napakasasali sa ibang lalaki. Hindi ba? Kaya hanggang hindi mo pa rin matanggap na you were jilted by my cousin. Hindi ba?
You know, Jackie, you're so full of crap. You falling for accusations.
Wala na akong nararamdaman para kay Celine. I will say, pagkakasalan kita dahil gusto ng mga magulang natin. But Jackie, that doesn't erase the truth that I will marry you because I still want you. I want you. Pagkakasalan kita dahil gusto ko. And I think the one thing I'm really guilty of is the fact that I'm still trying to make this work and you really don't want to. And this me trying to keep you away from Celine, this is me desperately trying to hold on to us. Now tell me, Jackie. Tell me you're no longer in love with Ellie. You look me in the eye and tell me you don't love her anymore. Never.
Wala na. Wala na, JB. Wala na ako nararamdaman para kay Ellie. Tapos na lahat ako sa aming dalawa. Hindi ko na mahal si Ellie.
I know you love me. I can live with that. But you better dare not love anybody else. Because you're committed to me, and I am committed to you. Only God knows I'm doing my part. Hindi ko nagmamahal ng iba.